Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a fuse wire within the proteus. So for it, first of all, we must know that why we are supposed to use any sort of fuse wire in any circuit. So you must know that there can be some sort of sensitive and some expensive components like a microcontroller within any circuit. So in order to protect them, we always have to use the fuse wire. It will just break the circuit if there is huge amount of current flowing or any sort of surge in current, and thus it will protect our sensitive devices. So first of all, you need to go to component library and take fuse wire. So we will take our active fuse wire. So this is our fuse wire. Its rated current is 1 ampere, but we are supposed to make it 1.5 ampere. Okay, so this is our rated current. So battery must be of like 12 volt, but as fuse wire is not responding to any sort of voltage but to the amount of current. When the amount of current will exceed its threshold, that is the 1.5 ampere, the fuse wire will melt it or break out. So after it, we need to take our lamp, which are usually active. So we will take these animated light bulbs. So these are our 1 ampere or 0.5 ampere lamps. Now we need to take dip switches or some what's called as the simple switch. So either we need to take these one, okay, three, okay, three one, okay. So these are our switches. Okay, the first with first switch, the second lamp with the second switch, and the third lamp with the third switch. Now connect ground with it. Okay, now we also need to put the current probe so that we can measure the current. So now let's make it a bit big so that we can understand. Now our first bulb is on and the current is 0.478088. Now when we will make the second bulb on, it is 0.952. Okay, but now we can see that the wire starts to glow a bit because it is reaching its not reaching obviously some bit low, but still uh, there is some amount of current, so it starts glowing. Now we will make the third bulb on. Okay, now it is glowing a bit, but still it is less than what's called as the 1.5. So you can see that it do not used to break. So what we can do now, we can go and we can take one more bulb from here. Okay, now we will attach one bulb in parallel with this bulb. This is the fourth load. Okay, but it is connected with the same switch. So okay, now you can see that our fuse is gone. Why it is so? Because current is so much high. Now we will make off the third switch. Okay, now you can see that first, second, it is perfect and on, and when we will make on the third one, the value will surpass the threshold, and now you can see that it is gone. So with this we can save our entire wiring within the home and some other what's called as the valuable components. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.